437 is the number of lawsuits that the ACLU filed against Donald Trump his last term, and they had wins. They were able to stop his Muslim ban. They got the Supreme Court to support them on several decisions. In the courts below, like I've always said, there are judges appointed by Barack Obama, Joe Biden, Bill Clinton, even George Bush, that follow the rule of law, that have been able to back down the decision. A lot of their cases that they filed against Donald Trump stayed and percolated. They weren't all resolved. And while they were working their way through the systems, a lot of them got their Donald Trump's actions to be stayed, meaning stopped. So during the entire of his term, a lot of the things he tried to do just didn't go into effect because these lawsuits continue. And they have a great winning record, won a lot of times. You could go look it up if you don't believe me, but I'm going to let you know for sure they were able to protect the rights, not just of LGBTQ, the civil rights of folks. They stopped stop and frisk in Chicago. So things like that is what ACLU. So if you're interested, you can go check them out and support ACLU's work, donate. You can sign up for their media tracker so you can follow any of their cases. I've always said that it's not a good idea to follow every and anything. Whatever's to interest you, whether it's environment, whether it's education, where it is civil rights, whether it's liberties, whether it's LGBTQI rights, that I created at outlasting47.com, where you can go and sign up and purchase it. It's $7.99. It's a way to support my work here. And you can, whatever issues you're interested in, and just follow those. There's a case tracker. There is even a Trump bingo card that I have to go update to reflect the fact that Pete Hegseth actually got confirmed and all the other ones that got confirmed. Stay tuned to this account. So I will be sharing wins and ways that Donald Trump actually lost his last term. I know it's going to be harder this time because unlike last time, he had more principled people surrounding him who were able to tell him no and resist his urges. And this time I feel like he has more yes men who are willing to go forward. And the sad part about this all, as I've said in other videos, is that the United States government, we're paying for it. Our tax dollars are paying to defend against these attacks on us that the organizations, agencies, unions, associations that are filing support us, and we're paying for it because our tax dollars support the Department of Justice or whoever it is. It's going to be, let's say, Karen versus United States, Karen versus Donald Trump, Karen versus whoever Donald Trump's attorney general will be, most likely Pam Bondi. So doesn't make sense, but whatever. All right, stay tuned here. I'll be sharing more of the ways that we've actually won. Again, I said I'll try to be a voice of calm because there's a lot of just bombastic breaking news. Donald Trump did this. There's all these things that just give you stress and anxiety. So, woosah. We'll be all right. Stay tuned.